Aloha, Rich Halverson here. This is ICS211, and in this video, I'm going to try to finish up Chapter 6 on file output. So let me share my screen. So we just finished talking about file input, and this, reading from files, and this is writing to files, and so this is an important thing to know how to do. And so it just points out here, this file output stream is a class that supports writing to a file, and it inherits from output stream. And you can, after declaring a variable of this type, a file can be opened using the constructor, which can take the file name as a string argument and so on. And so you do, to open the file, say hello world.txt, you would open declare a file output stream variable called file stream with the file name as a argument, and then you would create a print writer variable to be able to write to the file. And then this is how you would write to it. It's a method if you just use a print line method. And then at the end, you should close it. So go through this, make sure you understand what each of these parts are. This is an example. Let's go to these challenges aren't too difficult. When it comes time for you to actually have to do this, you're gonna look for a reference. You're gonna search the web, look for a reference, and piece it together at that time. All right, so in this challenge activity, file output, we're asked to perform these tasks, the following tasks. Let's see, this program is gonna read in from this file. It's gonna read in a number, and it's gonna read this in from the user. Then it's gonna write to this file this value followed by the word source. Okay, so here is reading the number from the user. So before we do that, we got to read the. Okay, so let's start by declaring the proper variables here. We're supposed to declare a file stream named this, and I'm just going to copy this here. Copy, and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to paste it, and this is a file stream. That's the name of it, and I'm going to just say it's equal to null. So I'm declaring the variable called file stream, which is of type file output stream. And then I'm going to declare a print writer variable named that. And for now, I'm just going to also set that to null. And then code, I need to first read the name of the file. Yeah, it's got to be this one. This. So first I have to read that, and I'm going to store it in there. So I will go this. Equals scnr dot, get my fingers in the right place, scnr dot next word, which is going to be data.txt. And then I'm going to read the number. Wait a minute, there's more. Read that, and I'm writing out, oh, I got to set this up. Okay, the way to set that up is it's up here. File stream is a new file output name of files. SOFA data name. Yeah, that's the name of the file. SOFA data name is the name of the file. So that goes in there. Then I need to say that this one here this is equal to a new print writer looking at file stream. That. This is that, and this is that. Okay. Then we read in the quantity and write to this here, where we are able to do a print line on this because of this. All right. Let's see, is this right? No. I needed to do. So didn't get it right. Spelled this wrong. This should be a capital O. Oh, all right. What's the next level? Okay, these two of these things are read from input. And we're going to write to the file. So the input is going to be 28 Mateo. And the output is going to say this. And then 28, and then space, desks for space, and then Mateo. So, let's see. We're going to write it here, I guess, huh? So we need to set up writing. That's this, that's this. I guess it's already set up to write. And we've already read these two things in. So I guess we say data fs dot print line do not forget colon, a new line, couple of 4 hashtags. So where's the dent, 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 dent. And then a new line will be printed because this I'm printing a new line. And then I want print data fs dot print line desk count plus space desks for space plus friend name. I think that's all I need to do. Let's see if this is right. Not bad. All right, what's next? Read 4 strings from input. Open area.txt as an output file. For each string read, write an asterisk, space, followed by the string, and a space asterisk to the opened file. End each output with a new line. So for example, if the input is this, then area.txt will contain that. Oh, I guess I better make sure I close it. Okay, so I need to put some additional variable declarations here, I guess. So that would be read 4 strings from input. All right, I'm going to do something like int for int I equals 0, comma, semicolon, I is less than 4, semicolon, I plus plus. I need to, first let me have some sort of, what am I reading? And I'm reading in integers. Int, read int. Okay, I'm going to call it that. And I'm going to say read int equals SCNR next int. Okay. And then I'm going to I need to do some files. I need to declare some stuff here. I need to declare a file stream is equal to a new file output stream for a file called area.txt. And then I should also make data fs equal to a new print writer of file stream. All right. Now, after I've read that, I can write it, data fs, print line, asterisk, space, quote, plus read int, plus quote, space, asterisk, quote, close, semicolon. And I think that might be the end of that. And I better close data fs, close, so as I don't lose any data. All right. See what this says. Hey. All right. Okay, let's see. So I think I'm going to end this video now and do one more on the lab in a moment. Thanks for watching.